I'm at home. Specifically in my room because I'm getting ready to pack for Thailand. This is my biggest trip yet, and I've been planning for this trip since 2020. Thailand was the country that inspired me to make this channel, The Ethnic Traveler, because I binge watched so many YouTubers and so many travel vloggers going to Thailand, and they all said that Thailand is the best country as a first solo travel vlogger to start with. Now, I did not start with Thailand, I started with Mexico, but it's okay, I'm finally making it to Thailand because they had crazy regulations, and now they finally lifted those crazy regulations, and that was my cue to go to Thailand. So I've been obsessed with watching packing videos or pack with me videos, specifically the ones of people selling all of their things or putting them in storage and going abroad for 6 months to a year and just living off of their suitcase. So I thought that it would be a cool idea for me to do one of those videos before my big trip. And maybe this can ultimately help you for packing for a 2-week trip to Southeast Asia, specifically Thailand. So let's get started. Okay, here's everything that I'm bringing. We're gonna start here on my left-hand side. So on my left, I have all of my sleeveless tank tops, okay? They're from Amazon Basics. I tried them on, they look great, and I loved it. So I got 5 of those sleeveless tops because I feel like I'm really going to be using these the most because it's gonna be so hot in Thailand. Okay, the next set of items are my button-ups. So I got 3 button-ups from Amazon, and they are pretty comfortable. So this one is kind of like a beach material. It's short sleeve and it's great. I also have this green one. It's more for a dressier night. So like if I want to go out at night or if we're gonna go to dinner, I can probably wear one of these. And then I have this white one, typical beach long sleeve white button up. And I got this because we want to have kind of like a fancier night. So I want to wear this one for that night. The next thing are my shorts. Okay, so here, my shorts, I got these also from Fabletics. They're super comfortable and they have zippered pockets. And then I bought 2 more with my membership credits, and they're a little longer because these are kind of short on me. And you know, they show a little bit too much. Anyways, so I'm bringing 3 of these, and then I'm bringing a dressier short. It's also from Fabletics, but I might bring a pair of joggers just in case. And if I do, it'll be these. They're called the One Jogger, and they're also from Fabletics. And these are very thin too, so I can roll these up pretty well and make them fit in my suitcase. So I'm bringing 4 t-shirts. These 3 will be my regular t-shirts. So here are my warmer items. So this is the jacket right here. I got this off of Burlington. I think it's pretty thin. It's not too thick, but it keeps me pretty warm. In here I have my gloves that I got from H&M, and they're pretty thin as well. They'll keep me warm, they'll get the job done. And then I have my sweatshirt. I'm bringing 8 pairs of socks. With the one I have on is going to be 9. Most of the time I'm going to probably be in sandals, or I'm going to not wear socks. And the reason why I say that is because I am gonna bring these shoes with me, and they are my Tropic Feel shoes because they are water-friendly shoes. So basically what that means is that I can go swimming in these shoes. And they have their own drainage holes that when there's water in them, they come out, so it drains itself. Isn't that amazing? I would recommend these shoes because they're great, but I actually found out that on Amazon, they have a cheaper kind and they basically do the same function. And I found some for guys that was really, really nice. And if I would have seen these before I found these Tropic Feel ones, I would have bought them because they're way cheaper than the Tropic Feels. The second pair of shoes are my Nike shoes. I don't know the name of these shoes because I just got them. I think it says here Nike Zoom X, but they're another kind of Zoom X because there were so many Zoom X's at the Nike factory that I don't know which one they are. But all I know is that these are so comfortable and I absolutely love them. So you're probably wondering what I'm going to use to pack all of this clothes. And normally I use these packing cubes from Eagle Creek. I also got these on Amazon. They sell them in bulk, and this is what I've used for all my other trips. But what I've noticed is that they still take up a lot of space. They're good for organizing my clothes and separating them, but they're not compression cubes and they don't save me any space. But I looked on Amazon and I was talking to a couple of people, and someone recommended these. And these are space bags, specifically roll-up space bags that you push the air out and you don't need a vacuum. Okay, so let's open this up. Basically, it says that I would have to roll it to squeeze the air out, but then I would have to roll it the way, like away from the zipper, because you would think that you would have to roll it towards the zipper. These are the different sizes that the pouches come with. So this is the small pouch, okay? This is the carry-on pouch. And then this is the checked luggage pouch. I might be able to fit all of my stuff in these 4. Okay, so I got the first one done. It was pretty simple. I have to basically squeeze these zippers multiple times to make sure it's sealed, and then just push it out until this side pops. Okay, so I was actually able to fit my sandals and my shoes in this bag. So let me show you. Okay, so I put my shoes in a plastic bag and I stuffed them in here. I put all of my socks in this corner, and then I put my sandals under the space bag, okay? If that doesn't work, I have this space available here that I can put my sandals. And honestly, you know what? I'm actually going to do that because it's gonna save me space if I put them in here. And then I have these compression straps to squeeze it down some more to have that space. There we go. Oh, this is hurting my back. And I'm able to close it. Good, so I got all of my clothes in here. I'm so happy. Okay, let's move on to the next section. All right, so here are all of my electronics. So obviously here I have my iPad. I love this thing. When I'm touring or when I'm guiding trips, this is like my best friend. So I always have this in my hand. Obviously my phone, okay? My Apple Watch. I have my headphones here. These are not Sony headphones. These are ones that I found on Amazon. They're from Anchor. I love Anchor. I have a couple things here from Anchor, and they've been great. I've had these now, I think, for probably 3 years, and they're amazing. I have one of my cameras. So this is my DJI Action 2. It comes with a pendant that I get to kind of hang on my chest, like right here, and then I get to do kind of like a POV shot. So I'm going to be using this a lot for my water activities because it is waterproof, and I love it. This is a placeholder for my DJI Pocket too, because I'm actually using that right now to film, so it's connected to my phone. Freaking love this camera. It's gonna be my main vlogging camera. So I have 2 cameras, and then plus my iPhone camera that I use to make reels and things like that. So I have 3 good cameras that will have me covered as a travel vlogger, and I feel successful. Next thing on the list are my vlogging mounts. So I have a water one, and then I have just a regular one that extends. So this one I got from Insta360. I used it with my Go 2 when I was using that camera. I no longer use that. RIP. And then this is for when I'm going swimming. So it floats, you know, if it comes out of my hand. But the great thing is that it comes with this strap that I could just put my wrist in and then tighten it, and it will never fall off. I have my Anchor products back here. So I have 2 bricks. I also have these 2 battery packs. They can charge my phone up to 3 times. They charge my cameras like twice in a day, and I can also charge my iPad. Next thing is in this pouch. It is my converter. So I have a converter here that I got from Amazon is Best Tech. It comes with 3 plugins, and then it also comes with 4 USB plugs. I have my trusty laptop here. This is a MacBook Pro 2017 edition. It's the one with the touch bar on it, so it's a little old, but I freaking love this computer. It does everything for me. It's so thin, I love it. And then I have my travel tech pouch, okay? So this is my little travel tech pouch. I usually keep all of my chargers in here, except the ones that I really need with me throughout the day. So here's where I kind of store everything. My main headphones are the ones I have on right now. These are Aftershocks. They rebranded and now they're called Shocks. So I always have these on. You may see them a lot while I'm traveling because I like to just answer phone calls with them and just listen to music while I'm walking wherever. So I always have these, and these are like my AirPods, so I use them for everything. But when I'm on a plane and I want to cancel out noise, I will use this. So that's why I like to switch back and forth with those. The next thing in here is my adapter. So this is a adapter, a hub for me to use on my computer. So I got this off of Amazon. It's so cool. It's so small, and then I can just put my Apple Watch in there, and then it just automatically just gets it. It's the best thing ever. All right, and now we are in the last category, so miscellaneous things. Okay, so right here I have all of the things that I consider miscellaneous. So obviously my sunglasses, but they're all very important, so I have them here. Next miscellaneous item is my wallet. I got this one from Amazon, and it has a cool little clip for me to hold some loose cash in, and I like it because I can put all of my cards in here, and it's very thin. So I'm gonna call this one my travel wallet because I have another one here. So I'm gonna use this. I also have a dummy wallet, which I use when I'm going out in the streets and I have cash in there and like just one card. So if I get mugged, you know, God forbid, I can just give them that, and it's just like my dummy wallet. And it's good to have. If you don't have a dummy wallet or a dummy phone, definitely invest in one. And you know, when I say a dummy phone, just like get something at a pawn shop for like, I don't know, 30 bucks, like one of those old Android phones or something like that. The next thing is this item here that I bought on Amazon, and literally Amazon everything. And basically this is like motion sickness bracelets. So you put it on your wrist or a certain place on your wrist so it can prevent motion sickness. It was pretty inexpensive too. It was just $7 for 5 packs. So we're gonna see how it works. Hopefully it does the, you know, and has its, okay, I don't know what I'm saying, but hopefully it works. The next item on my miscellaneous list is basically my energy drink or my energy powder. Basically, this has all of the ingredients and all of the vitamins that I need for the day. And this is a vegan kosher powder that provides you with natural energy. And I absolutely love it. We've been on this for like the past 5 or 6 years, and it's honestly like crack. And the last item is a dry bag. So we got this dry bag also from Amazon, and my sister also purchased a fanny pack dry bag. So this is where we're gonna put like all of our phones and things when we do water activities. And then I'm gonna throw in my my other fanny pack in this dry bag to keep all of my camera equipment dry. And that is basically it. I got all of my items. I got everything packed except my last miscellaneous items, but this video took longer than I expected. Maybe, you know, the more I do it, the easier it will get, but this was fun for the first time. It's really late. I have to wake up early tomorrow. So I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.